a couple of sons, a couple of guns, a couple of that bust up the party and fuck up the fun. She did.
What's up, everybody? It's 9310 now with another 2-Minute Tuesdays, and today I will be teaching you how to do some shear work. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and saturate the hair. Make sure that everything is laid down nicely. Once I go ahead and do that, I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning off the hair. So what I'm doing is I'm parting the hair, creating a guideline, and basically what this guideline will do is it will be like, how would you say, guideline. It basically will determine the length of the rest of the hair. So I usually pull up the bangs, I let him see what length he would like it, longer or shorter, and then I'll go ahead and cut it. Now, the reason why I do this is I'm not trying to pretend like I know what 1 or 2 inches looks like. So I'll just be honest and be like, how long you want it? So what I'm gonna go ahead and do here is I'm gonna cut the rest of the mohawk or the guideline to that length. Now it's very simple. Once the guideline is set, I just pull the hair up and then I just trim it. Simple as that. And then I work my way back slowly. Other people usually set their guideline and then they cut from the back forward, but I get really lost in doing that process, so this is how I do it. I just work my way slowly back. There you go. Comb, pull up, cut, comb, pull up, cut. And you gotta be working your way back. Don't be afraid to cut the hair. I've seen so much people like get so scared about cutting it. Honestly, hair is hair. It's gonna be messy. It's gonna be like, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's it. So don't be afraid to cut the hair. Okay, that's it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the back, doing the same thing. I'm sure other people have other techniques. This is just what works for me. I'll set the guideline right through the back, middle of the head, and then just work my way around. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cross check, and instead of facing front to back, I'm gonna go ahead and do it from the side. This way I make sure all the length of the hair is equal. And what I'm gonna do is point cut, which is texturizing to create like a more choppier look and hairstyle. So somebody told me, what is the blurry boy effect? Well, let me show you what the blurry boy effect is. There you go. Here's the cut. Hope you liked it. Nice and texturized. Until next time, peace out.